What are some common store construction mistakes that owners should avoid if they're looking to build new and to take on that challenge?
Be involved. As stressful as it is, I don't hire a general contractor, and I am the general contractor, and it's not a money thing. I would, the way I work is I'm not a penny pincher. I like to let people do what what their level of expertise is. It's absolutely not a money savings thing. It's more that in the beginning when we were just kind of handing things off, and we went with a construction company in the beginning, and it was kind of like they do everything, right? They have their electricians and their plumbers and the contractors, the general contractors, and they just sign over the paperwork, make the payments on time, and then they're going to deliver a turnkey operation. But I wasn't happy with that, right? There were a lot of things where they cut corners. There were a lot of things where they didn't do it exactly the way I wanted. And so being involved during the construction process, I'm talking being on site every day, looking at the progress on a daily basis and making sure things are getting done the way you want, it's really, really important. You're dumping hundreds of thousands of dollars in a project like this, and it just, the last thing you want to do is leaving it to somebody else's hands, and you don't want to get to a point where you're ripping things out because they weren't done properly, and you're then redoing it again, because obviously that's just more time wasted, more money wasted. So being involved in a construction project is, a very big lesson that I had to learn. And now, in the past few that I've built, being more involved has definitely, paid off.